Alright guys, welcome back. So in these next few video series, I'm going to be recapping the live trades that I do and make it into these short form videos for you guys, because I know not all of you can join the lives. However, there's a lot of value on these lives and I want you guys to take as much from these as possible. So each time I do a live now moving forward, I'll recap them into these videos. So be sure to like, subscribe to stay tuned for all of these. And remember, I go live every Wednesday and Friday, 7 AM London time. So this morning's position on GJ was absolutely fantastic. Cooled the markets very, very well. However, the volume wasn't quite on our side. So we managed our position a lot more aggressively and still managed to catch a really, really nice move, zero drawdown. So the key takeaway from this live trade breakdown is understanding the market conditions and doing something about it. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the recap. Nice little double top there to be taken. If GJ can pull back down, maybe grab this little double bottom here on the 5 minute, then I'll be looking for longs up into these highs. I'm not short in GJ. We haven't grabbed these highs. I think anyone short in GJ right now after this rejection, probably going short right now, maybe stops above this double top, looking for this big play down. So I'm looking for longs on GJ. But let's just see how we react when we grab these little lows here. Delete trend line. I can keep that trend line. Not that we don't trade trend lines, but it's nice to look at the trend line in the sense of where's liquidity sitting. Had that nice little third drive down to lows there. 1, 2, 3. Ripped higher. But I want a long if we come down here. I'll look for longs, then we'll boom. Yeah. People are getting manipulated on GJ right now. Look at that on GJ. Come on. Come back down here and we'll go long. Come down that little bit more. A little bit more and we'll go long. Nice to see some volume on GJ though. And I would consider going with a nice little long position here. Come down a little bit more though. A nice bounce. Then we could look for some longs. But I'm not jumping the gun just yet. GJ into the lows now. Yeah, this is nice, man. Let's see how GJ is going to react. Look at that. Just grab this support. Ooh, look at it. I'm going to get ready to potentially go long on GJ. Might have to be a market execution on GJ. I'm getting ready. Let's see. Let me see. How we got to this close? We got 2 minutes till this close. If we were to go long now, stops would be below this low. 9 pips, not bad. Oh, fuck. Slow down. Wait, GJ. Give us a second to get in, please. Look at that. Grab these lows. Didn't quite grab that low, but grab these lows. That's good enough for GJ. What would that be? What would the stop loss be? Stop loss would be there. 14 pips. 14 pips. Stop loss below this low. Buy on the break of that high. Call it 1584. You know what? I'm going to put this in. If this 5 minute doesn't close strong, then we cancel the order, but I'm putting the buy order in at 15824. Stop losses below the low as well. Okay, GJ is in. Remember spreads as well. We got 24 seconds to this 5 minute closes. Could GJ do what GJ does and start to close bullish right at the end of the 5 minute close? Let's see. Let's see, because this hourly on GJ, how's the hourly looking? Yeah, hourly's looking nice. Yeah, look at that. Closing strong towards the last few seconds of the candle. Look at that. Nice. She goes. And we are in. This is the potential level where we could grab these highs and go lower. So anyone who was shorting has just been stopped. So we need to see this 5 minute candle close. If this 5 minute candle close doesn't rip up, then we will manage risk. Anyone shorting was short in here, stopped just above these highs, now just been taken. Look, they would have thought, oh my god, this is a fantastic entry. Bam, now being stopped out, and we are in longs. And if this 5 minute doesn't break above this resistance, then I will probably close the trade. I want this 5 minute to close above. 15 minutes looking good though. Look at that. 15 minute broken this level. Broke, quick little retest, stop hunt of all these lows, now ripping higher, fully came to retest these levels. To me, this 15 minutes looking good. We got the London Open in 10 minutes as well. If London can come in and moon, but the fact that this low was a liquidity grab of these lows, we shouldn't need to take this low. If we take this low again, then I don't want to be in it anyway. So stop loss placement is good. So far on GJ this year, we have a 100% win rate. So if GJ, this trade doesn't lose, GJ is a scam. GJ is a scam. How many pips have we up? 8 pips. 8 pips. Everyone on YouTube, tag me in your stories. Get them MT4 screenshots sent to me so I can repost it. If this 5 minute leaves this wick and doesn't fully drive, I'll be doing the same, man. I'll be doing the same. Or I may even just, you know, bring stop loss here. Only risk 8 pips. I don't really want to secure. It's not worth it yet. I want to secure potentially as soon as we tap into these levels. And then this is the last 5 minute of the hourly close. So if we want one candle, one good 5 minute candle, this is the candle we want to close strong. Because then the hourly is going to break all of these levels. But then again, look, on the hourly, if this does close above, we could retest these levels and then go higher. And I don't want to then go back into drawdown before then taking the trade. So yeah, you know what? Let's go break even. I'm break even here. Break even on GJ. Let's see, look at this 5 minute driving now. You know what? We're running 15 pips, to be honest. I'm actually just gonna secure 50% here. I'm out 50% on GJ. 16 pips out at 15%, and we're going to leave a runner to see how this hourly closes. And if we can get that London volume, we can get a nice drive. So yeah, break even, close 50%. Life is good. We're chilling. Look at that lovely entry. But we'll hold a little runner back up to these lows. These highs, because we could actually retest this broken resistance and then go higher. So you don't want to not take any profit on the table when your entry is around a level where you could retest. If you had entries from down here, you're laughing. Price won't need to come back down and retest these levels. But when your entry is at a level where we could come back down and retest before going higher, you want to secure some profits. And if you want to be a crazy motherfucker, enter another position if you want. But lovely, lovely play. Zero drawdown, straight to the moon. 16 pips is nothing to scream about, but hey, 16 pips in and out, we'll take it, won't we?